Hi, my name is Muhammad Zamri. This is about Code of Ethics. Today, my team and I would like to present about the Code of Ethics. A Code of Ethics in business is a set of guiding principles intended to ensure a business and its employees act with honesty and integrity in all facets of its day-to-day operations, and to only engage in acts that promote a benefit to society. In this assignment, we were asked to do a task which we have to conduct a Q&A session with two engineers. So, let's go to the Q&A session.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm Muhammad Sakim Mustafa.
Okay, so the question is, have you ever been in a situation or made a decision as an engineer in which ethics was an important consideration?
Assalamualaikum, my name is Hidayah binti Muhammad Alipia. I've been working in one of the company in Malaysia as an industrial engineer. Okay, for the first question, have you ever been in a situation or made a decision as an engineer which ethics was an important consideration? Okay, I will say yes, because ethics is important to make any decision where it have to be progressive decision and proactive action.
Next question, have personal ethical consideration ever affected your choice of job?
So for the second question, have personal ethical considerations ever affected your choice of job? Personally, it's no. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zai Umar bin Khairul Fauzi. My message card number is B0922101007. My question is, do you think your company takes engineering ethics seriously enough?
Third question, do you think your company takes engineering ethics seriously enough? Okay, of course. For organization, it is very important to set out ethical standards to make streamline decisions and solve problems efficiently.
For my next question is, do you feel the engineering profession takes ethics seriously enough?
For the next question is, do you feel the engineering profession takes ethics seriously enough? Yes.
So the last question is, do you feel large corporations are held to account sufficiently when cases of poor of engineering are brought to light?
Do you feel large corporations are held to account sufficiently when cases of poor engineering ethics are brought to light? Okay. I would say that yes, large corporations, especially multinational company, consider ethics seriously because normally they will deal with clients and customer from overseas, so they have to consider about ethics in each action which they have to take to have a sufficient result, and they do not practicing poor ethics because it will lead to conflicts and challenges.
My first question is, how do you define work ethic? What does it mean to you?
Hi, my name is Nur Junaina. I am working in Spirit Aerosystem as quality engineer, and I've been working in Spirit for 1 year.
So for the first question, how do I define work ethic? So work ethic is a set of standard which is for me acceptable or not acceptable to be done at workplace.
My name is Muhammad Alif Nuruddin bin Ramli. I want to ask you for the second question, which is, can you tell us about a time you faced an ethical dilemma while you were working?
Okay, so second one is on the ethical dilemma. So basically, time that I usually face an ethical dilemma is when I have an emergency to attend, and because of this emergency, I have to come in late, and at the same time, I need help from my colleague to assist or support on my current task that is also kind of a urgent task.
So for the next question is, what would you do if you witness a colleague acting unethical? For example, colleague is harassing another worker.
If I will get the evidence a proper evidence, and then maybe report to HR immediately, because this unethical behavior need to be reported before the harasser harassing other victim.
So for my question is, spreading rumors about your privacy, example, life outside workplace among colleagues in the workplace is an unethical issue. How do you resolve this issue?
So for the fourth question, for me, prevention is better than cure. So I do not prefer my colleague to be part of any of my social media follower or friend. So this is to prevent this kind of issues occur. So, but if the rumors already spread, I will prefer not to talk about the rumors, because I believe the rumors will be cooled down soon.
Last but not least, how would you handle an employee who consistently violated safety procedures?
For the fifth question, I will report this violation to the related personnel. For example, for this case, we will have a safety team. So I will report to the safety team and together with evidence. Alright.
In a conclusion, a well-written code of conduct clarifies an organization's missions, values, and principles, linking them with standards of professional conduct. The code articulates the values the organization wishes to foster in leaders and employees, and in doing so defines desired behavior. As a result, written codes of conduct or ethics can become benchmark against which individual and organizational performance can be measured. Additionally, a code is a central guide and reference for employees and for all engineers to support day-to-day discussion making. It can encourage discussions of ethics and compliance, empowering employees to handle ethical dilemmas they encounter in everyday work. Thank you.